In this video, I'll show you how to set recovery email on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram, right? Click on this, click on the settings, click on the privacy and security. At first, your two-step verification should be on, right? So I think I made a video about how you can turn this on well. So click on it, right? You're going to enter your password. I think I'm going to enter my password right now. I want to click on the enter, right? Wait, okay, so this is my password, right? So for you to be able to set recovery email, you're going to do this through here. So click on this, you're going to enter your email, right? So this is basically how you can set recovery email on Telegram. Remember, your two-step verification would be on before you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.